So we're here on the Noraker booth on Medica 2025, Hall 4. So Marc Dumas, you're a business developer for Noraker. Can you tell us a bit more about the company?
So Noraker is a French SME, established since 20 years now. We are specialized in the production of void fillers. Two main specialties, bioactive bone graft and calcium phosphate cement as well. We are based in Lyon, more precisely, and we are in Medica since more than 10 years now.
We are a German partner for Noraker around 5 years. This product gives us really quickly regeneration of the bone. We have reduced quantity of infection with this product. And our customers love it, this product, really, from the handling and from benefits.
So yeah, we have two families of void fillers. One is Bioactive Glass with very specific characteristics such as hydrophily, such as bactericidal effect, with excellent regenerative results, with a long list of clinical studies. And we have also a calcium phosphate cement, FDA approved, with very good results for trauma and orthopedic surgeries.